The Hornady hot tub sonic cleaner was specifically designed to clean your longer gun components, especially the AR-15 and your other gas guns like the semi-auto shotguns or some of your longer pistols. It's a 24.5-inch long tank, so it can easily fit the 16-inch AR upper. And with our Hornady hanging tabs, we're able to suspend the parts above the bottom of the tank, which really improve the cleaning efficiency of the sonic cleaner. Since we're cleaning gun components, I'm going to turn the heat up to 140 and then start the timer, and you can immediately see the cleaning action taking place. Those ultrasonic cleanings, both circulating the cleaning solution as well as the microjets, are hitting the surface and knocking that carbon off, and you can just see the cloud coming out of the gas block as well as the receiver. It comes with a basket for cleaning large items, and you can drop that into the tank. Or there's also a small parts bin. It's a 1.6 liter tank. It's great for putting a small batch in here, and you can put up to 3 of those in the tank, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle. So then you're also able to clean your brass and gun components at the same time and save quite a bit of the cleaning solution by not having to fill up the whole tank. Once you're done cleaning up, you can go ahead and clean the tank out, dry it out, and it comes with lids as well, where you can set your parts on top and let them drain back into the pan as well.